Hello and welcome TechLab YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna install Windows Server 2022 Active Directory Services. I'm going to change the PC name first. Okay, so go to the server manager and the local server. Here some settings we need to change. First of all, the computer name. I'm going to change here. I can give master. Yeah, the PC name is master. Okay. Go to the IP address. Change adapter options. Go to properties. IPv4. Here again enter 192.168.88.128 192.168.88.2 and 88. Yeah, now we have assigned the IP address of this server and we need to restart the PC first, and let's restart. I just give some comment. Yeah, after the restart, go to the start menu and server manager, and we have set computer name and the IP address of this server. Okay, and after that go to the add roles and features, click on that. Next, role based or feature based installation, click next, and this is the IP address. Next, and here is the important thing, we need to choose Active Directory domain name services and DHCP services and DNS services. These three things very important. And click next, click next, next. Okay, next, click install. Yes, now the Active Directory installation is completed. Close. And when you go to the notification panel, here you can see the installation which we completed. Okay, and here needs some configuration and all. And go to the tools. Here also the Active Directory tab is visible. Alright, and DHCP and DNS. Yeah, let's restart the PC again. Go to ADDS, and when you go to ADDS, configuration required for Active Directory domain service, click on the more option, and from and here we need to add a new forest and type here techglobe.local. Yeah, this is and these are the database folder and log file folder and system volume folder. Okay, If you want to change, you can change the path, or else good next. And these are the uh, selections visible on the table. Click next and start installing. Pre-request check. The system required to restart. Let's restart the PC again. Now the domain name is already installed and we have a configuration done. Enter the password. Go to the tools and click on the Active Directory users and computers. We have successfully installed and configured the Active Directory domain name services. And here you want to, if you want, create a user, or I'm gonna create organizational unit and give admin group. Okay. In the admin group, click new and user, and here I'm going to create HR computer. For this HR username, okay, hr@techglob.local is the username. Click next and enter the password. And the user must change the password at the next logon. Okay, when you click this box, the user, when login, in the screen there is an option to change new password. Okay, HR, and here also I'm going to create a new user and user one computer, user one. Okay, click next. Click on it, finish. And in the organizational unit group, we have created HR and user one. We have created. And one more thing, go to the group that I will explain. This group called Office. Click OK. And in the organizational unit, I'm gonna create a group too. Type Office. Okay, click OK. When you click Office group, nobody is in the member of this group. I'm going to add this and HR. Now here you can see HR. Click OK. Yeah, the user computer, let it be. Click apply and OK. I create now HR in the group of Office. If you want any security assign, you can assign. Yeah, this is the way how to create Active Directory users and computers, and create a users and admin HR. Like this you can manage in your office. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.